These are the newly upgraded lifts at Auckland's Victoria Car Park, Dewhurst, and they're Schindler. There's only one working, and it's gone all the way up to 16, so we may have to wait a minute. Right, it's here. I think these are 5500s. Oh, look at the indicator. So these only stop at even numbered floors. Oh, actually no they don't. So these just go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, then 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. They serve 12 floors in total.
20. Elevator is going down.
But they serve 12 floors in total. Capacity 1600 kgs, 21 persons. These are big lifts.
Floor 10. Elevator is going down. Floor 2.